Imagine standing in a place so extreme that before staying there, doctors might recommend removing your wisdom teeth or even your appendix because emergency rescue may not be possible. A continent where almost no rain has fallen for nearly 2 million years, yet it stores around 80% of Earth's fresh water. No reptiles, no amphibians, and beneath miles of frozen silence, scientists discovered something nobody expected: hidden lakes, ancient landscapes, and signs that life may survive in places once thought impossible. Welcome to Antarctica. For most of human history, humanity looked upward. We launched satellites, walked on the moon, and dreamed of reaching Mars. But while we explored the sky, another frontier remained hidden beneath our feet: cold, silent, and almost untouched. From above, Antarctica looks empty, an endless white desert. But beneath that frozen surface lies one of the most mysterious places on Earth. For decades, scientists assumed there was little under Antarctica's ice sheet. Maybe trapped water, maybe bare rock, nothing extraordinary. Then, in the 1990s, everything changed. Using advanced sensing technology, researchers discovered something astonishing: a giant hidden lake buried beneath kilometers of ice. It became known as Lake Vostok. Located near a Russian research station, this subglacial lake covers around 15,000 square kilometers and reaches depths greater than 1,200 meters. But what shocked scientists wasn't its size, it was its location. Lake Vostok exists beneath nearly 3.6 kilometers of solid ice. Temperatures nearby can fall to almost -89 degrees Celsius. Pressure is extreme. Sunlight never reaches the water. By every expectation, this environment should be lifeless. But Antarctica had another surprise. Scientists studying material connected to the lake found evidence of microbial life, including a bacterium known as W123-10 that appeared significantly different from known organisms. The likely reason was isolation. Hidden beneath the ice for millions of years, life may have evolved separately from the rest of the planet. Researchers also reported traces linked to thousands of possible biological forms, although the exact numbers remain debated. Even so, the discovery changed how scientists think about life itself. Because if life can survive under Antarctic ice, could it survive elsewhere? Suddenly, places like Mars and Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, became even more interesting. Both may contain hidden oceans beneath frozen surfaces. And Lake Vostok wasn't unique. Scientists later discovered additional subglacial lakes, including Lake Whillans and Lake Ellsworth. Some estimates suggest Antarctica may hide around 400 lakes beneath its ice. Entire ecosystems isolated from the outside world. But water isn't the only secret buried below. Beneath eastern Antarctica, researchers found ancient geological structures called cratons, the surviving cores of long-lost continents. Some resemble parts of Australia, others match India. These ancient foundations may date back hundreds of millions or even more than 1 billion years. Antarctica isn't only preserving ice, it may be preserving pieces of Earth's earliest history. To understand more, scientists decided to drill. Using hot water drilling systems, research teams spent over 63 continuous hours melting through the ice and reaching depths greater than 2,150 meters. Inside those access holes, they measured temperature, pressure, and movement within the ice. Their goal was to understand Antarctica's past and predict its future. But Antarctica also changes on its own. In 2017, scientists observed a massive opening appear in Antarctic sea ice. Strong cyclones, powerful winds, and warmer water combined to fracture and melt huge sections of ice. Researchers continue studying whether events like this could become more common as the climate changes. Some scientists warn these changes may accelerate ice loss. Others argue they can improve ocean circulation and create opportunities for wildlife. The reality is still unfolding. Antarctica isn't simply melting, it's transforming. One discovery offered some hope. Scientists identified an underwater geological barrier that appears to block warmer ocean water from reaching vulnerable glaciers. Without this natural protection, melting could happen much faster. But nearby regions already show signs of seasonal change, which means Antarctica's future remains uncertain. And so does ours. Because what happens here doesn't stay here. This frozen continent stores most of Earth's fresh water. If enough of that ice enters the oceans, coastlines around the world could change dramatically. Cities thousands of kilometers away would feel the impact. Antarctica feels distant, remote, untouchable. But hidden beneath its endless ice is one of the most important places on Earth. And understanding its secrets may help determine our future.